What's going on, guys? Basil here. As you can see, we got a nice cheat meal in front of us supplied by Flipper's Pizza. 14 locations from the St. Pete. Shout out to the marketing manager, Francis. Delivered it himself to me, man. I appreciate you. Contacted me via social media and email. And we got some great food here in front of us. My favorite, grilled buffalo chicken. Trying to make it a little healthy with the drizzle of ranch and all types of sauce. Man, I got the menu right here. Here we got the pesto chicken sandwich. It is brick fired, and this specialty pizza to my right, Angela ordered it, but she's not gonna be here to enjoy it with me. She got the arugula and prosciutto, pine nuts, fresh mozz, gorgonzola, arugula, extra virgin olive oils, fresh lemon, all types of good stuff. Without further ado, I appreciate you guys. Tag them online, excuse me. And let's not forget the dessert he tossed in over here. Let me just make sure I don't get any of this wrong. This dessert right here is freshly made bacon honey buns. Smoked all natural bacon, hand rolled dough, cinnamon glaze, local honey, and powdered sugar. I'm about to dig in. Oh my God. Wow. Fresh, juicy, nice and hot. Wow, this is delicious. Delicious. Wow. Let's jump over here real quick. Wow. Buffalo chicken grilled. With ranch, all types of stuff. Oh my God. Amazing. Wow. I'm about to jump over here. See what this looks like. That's money. That is delicious. Well, I'm gonna enjoy this. I might not talk a lot because when that's good food, I don't talk a lot. Put some garlic powder. Got some garlic powder, some marinara for the crust. A little hot sauce. Got thin crust, normal crust, any crust, you name it. Wow. Wow. That's all I can say is wow. I got a good deal going on. Buy one, get one pizzas. They do deliver. Just call it in. This stuff is delicious. You do not want to miss out. Flipper's Pizza. Oh, goodness. The sweet bacon buns. Whoa. That's good. The glaze and the honey. Wow. I'm glad I just worked out because this is a lot of carbs. You guys see my guy? Look at that. Delicious. Look at that, look at that. See? Wow. You need to heat them up. I'll be right back. We're back. Heated up a couple pieces. That's what I'm talking about. Wow. Woo! Tell you what, Flipper's Pizza, you guys got something going on right here. The pizza's delicious. Chicken sandwich was amazing. And then these dessert buns. Wow. With some bacon, honey. I know you want some. First pizza, complete. Chicken sandwich, complete. A couple slices left of the second pizza. Working our way over. Flipper's Pizza. Oh wait, my sauce is in there, no? It is. Whoops. With some sauce. Sauce. The last slice. Two 16-inch pizzas, a nice chicken sandwich, and they were like 12 or 13, if I'm not mistaken. Glazed honey rolls with bacon and honey and all that good stuff on it. We got over 6 different sandwiches, 3 or 4 different desserts. I want to say at least 15 different pizzas with create your own. Follow them on social media. Flipper's Pizzeria. Oh my goodness. This is good stuff. As you can see, second pizza box knocked out. A little bit of crust here and there. Leave some space for later. 2 16-inch pizzas. You know what I'm saying? 2 16-inch pizzas. A nice chicken sandwich. And a huge dessert. They hooked me up all out of love. About to finish these. This is delicious. I might go into a food coma. Usually I wouldn't have one of these. I'm smacking these. I needed this cheat meal. I needed it. And my guys came through at Flipper's Pizzeria. Angie didn't think I was gonna finish it. Over. Smacked. Over. Pizzas done. Chicken sandwich done. Amazing. Thank you guys, Flipper's Pizza. Check them out. They deliver. They make them fresh. They got buy one, get ones. They got chicken sandwiches, salads, pizzas, desserts, you name it, they got it. Check them out. Thank you, Francis. I appreciate you. This cheat meal was amazing. I'll be seeing you guys soon.